Many users who decided to upgrade to Windows 11 are now worried about their chances to go back to the previous version of their operating system if they dislike Windows 11. What if they have to reinstall the Windows 10 again? In fact, there is absolutely nothing to worry about. Going back is quite possible because files of the previous version of Windows are automatically saved to the folder windows.old on your system disk while you are updating the system to Windows 11. However, you should remember that this folder will be automatically deleted in 10 days after the update. If you made a clean installation of Windows 11, this method will not work.
Hello friends! If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog, you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles.
So, this is what you do if you want to roll back from Windows 11 to the previous version of the operating system. Go to the settings in the Start menu or use the key shortcut Windows+I. In the section System, go to Recovery. In Recovery Options, click Go Back. Give your reasons why you want to roll back from Windows 11 to Windows 10, or just click for another reason. Click Next. Next, Microsoft will suggest checking for updates. Choose No thanks. After that, Microsoft warns you that your computer will not be available for some time while it is rolled back from Windows 11 to Windows 10. Click Next. Make sure that you remember your password to sign in to Windows 10 and click Next. Finally, hit that button to go back to Windows 10. Wait until Windows completes this process. When you have finally returned to the earlier build of Windows, your computer will boot back to Windows 10 with all your files, software and license keys. Everything will remain the same and without changes. This method to restore the previous version of Windows is available during 10 days after updating to Windows 11. When the 10-day period is over, the previous version of the operating system, in our case Windows 10, can be restored only with a clean installation. Watch our previous videos to learn how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free and how to make a quick clean installation of Windows 11.